Hello students. So with your query, I would like to deal scale. Here we go through all the topic about scale. Here we draw also a scale, simple scale. In a scale, we have two units. Two units in any scale we have in the matrix scale unit or British scale unit. Here, for the sake of recall, retain and remember, this is unit kilo, hecto, like that, milli, centi, deca, milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilo, like that. If you have 1 centimeter, how we can draw how many centimeter in 1 kilometer? So like that, write 1 below k if you find kilometer in centimeter, and after that 1 2 3 4 5 digits we have, so 50 here. That means 1 centimeter equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Like that, how many kilometer in 1 hectare? So 10 hectare, like that. This is matrix unit which is used in Indian topographical map. For the sake of you remember, I can write like that. And here we have British unit, British scale, British unit, MFYFI. That means mile, furlong, yard, feet and inches. So this is the thing you have to remember it. 1 mile equal to 8 furlong, 8 furlong equal to 1760 yard, and 1 mile equal to 5280 feet, and 1 mile equal to 63360. So opposite of 63 is what? 360. You can remember like that. So 1 furlong is equal to 220 yard, and 1 furlong equal to 660 feet, and 1 inch equal to 1 furlong equal to 7920 inches. Like that, yard, 1 yard equal to 3 feet, and 1 yard equal to 36 inches. So 1 foot equal to 12 inch. Now come to the scale. Here we have here we have scale. So if you make an scale, you can see in every map we have scale. So how can you draw the scale? Just have a look. Here we have those two sections of this scale. One is primary scale and second is secondary scale. In primary scale, bigger units is counted. Suppose that you have centimeter and kilometer RF. Okay, so kilometer is counted in the right side of 0. That means this is primary scale. And centimeter is counted in the left side of the 0. That is secondary scale. Okay. So, and in this scale, how we can draw this scale? So you take a scale of 15 centimeter. Here we have 15 centimeter scale, or 15 centimeter, either 15 centimeter or 6 inches scale. If asked British scale, you take it in inches. Okay. So you can easily understand this. And for the drawing this scale, we have not less than 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3, not less than 3 and not more than 6. Here we draw here 6, which is crossed here. That means this is not in a scale. Not less than 3, that means neither 1, neither 2, and nor 6, 7, 8, like that. It is okay? So, and the breadth of this scale, you can take it 1 centimeter, and half of, just do half of this scale, that means 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, have a look. One question, how we find simple scale. Draw simple scale of RF 1:7920 furlong, reading for furlong and yards. That means here we have RF is given. Okay, so RF here is given. So in the first step we have calculation of RF. You don't have RF, then you have to calculate it. So how we can calculate RF? RF means representative fraction, which is the ratio between the sheet of map, distance between the 2 points on map, and distance between 2 points on the ground. This is RF. Since 1 inch represents 7920 inches, here 7920 inches, 1 furlong is equal to, so 7920. That means RF will be 1 upon 7920. Okay, therefore, and this is for 6 inch we represent here. So we can write like that, 6 into 7920 divided by 7929. This is equal to 6 inches. This is actually unitary method, okay, of mathematics. So, and this is the third step, draw of scale. So draw of scale, you can easily look here. If we draw a scale in inches, we take 6 inches scale. Okay, so here we have 6 inches scale, and we take compartment of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartment here, and alternately we can shade it. Okay, and all each boxes having same distance. Okay, like that in a secondary scale we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So not less than 6 and not more than 6 and not less than 3 here. So this is also same distance here. So like that we can draw the scale. I hope it is clear. If I take some more question, this is too long to define it. So I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.